It is BTS's 9-year anniversary, and I think this might be a perfect opportunity to talk about something I have been noticing on a lot of memes. Hi everyone! Welcome back to Speak American with Anu. My name is Anu and I am your dramatic linguist. As you know, I am a big BTS ARMY. A lot of ARMY are non-native speakers of English and they are writing thoughts out in English. But there is one thing I want to point out, and that is when we use the past tense, we have to be careful that we don't use the negative twice. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I make fun, short, easy videos on pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, and culture every Thursday. Stick around to the end of this video. We're going to talk about a bonus grammatical mistake that I've seen in social media. Let's go! Let's take 4 verbs. When we look at a past tense of watch, look, see, or find, when we put them into a negative, we add the do as an auxiliary verb. That really just means a helper verb. I watched the movie. I didn't watch the movie. You're learning American English. We like to put things together. Didn't, did not, didn't. I didn't watch the movie. But we cannot say I didn't watched the movie. When we have a negative, we just put the negative into the auxiliary verb, did not. And watch remains in its original form. Let's take another example with find. I found a photo. How are you going to make it with negative? I did not find the photo. If you said I did not found the photo, that is incorrect. I didn't find the photo. The negative skips over to the first verb, the auxiliary verb. Let's take another one. See, I saw a movie yesterday. What about negative? I didn't see a movie yesterday. See can be a little confusing because it's an irregular verb in the past tense. We don't say seed, we say saw, but nevertheless, the rule stays the same. Let's take our final verb, look. I looked in the mirror. How about negative? I didn't look in the mirror. All right, if you stuck around till the end of this video, here we go. We're going to talk about that second extra grammatical rule that I have noticed that is not being followed in social media. That's when people mix up regular verbs like watch, look, find, and see, and to be. To be is a different irregular verb. If somebody says, I didn't was a singer, that's not correct. What is the correct version? You could say I was not a singer, but we cannot say I didn't was a singer. A speaker is thinking that all negatives use did not, but that's not true. It depends on the verb. If the verb is regular, watch, look, see, find, then we can say didn't see, didn't watch, didn't look, didn't find. But we cannot say didn't was. We have to say was not. Was not. I wasn't a singer. Hope that explained and clarified things for you. If you liked this video, please go ahead and drop a like for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Again, you will see videos every Thursday, and go ahead and drop a comment below. What topic would you like to see next? Until then, practice makes progress.